It's about to rain heavily. A rise in the water level may flood the farmland. We must reinforce the dam before it rains. There's a big hole in the dam. Let's repair it with some bricks. Let's fill some sandbags and use them to reinforce the dam. Look, the sturdy dam has prevented a flood. That's great! Next, let's see what will take place irrigating the farmland. Welcome to my farm. It's about to rain. The crops will grow more quickly if they get enough rainwater. Whoa, it's raining! Let's review what you have learned. Weather quiz. Which is the symbol for rainy weather? Bingo, that's right! What will take place when it's raining? Irrigating the farmland. You have a pretty good memory. Next, let's take a look at the weather in other places. There's a new weather condition. Sunny. The symbol for sunny weather is a sun. The sun is shining so brightly. The animals have come out to play. Photosynthesis. These plants haven't gotten enough sunlight and they look pale. It happens to be a sunny day today, so they can get plenty of sunlight. Tap the sun to help the plants absorb sunlight, so photosynthesis can take place. The plants look healthy again. Next, let's see what will take place. A lizard basking in the sun. Look, it's a lizard. It's sunbathing. Do you know lizards are cold-blooded creatures that need to sunbathe to make bodies more flexible? The lizard is crawling so slowly. Let's help it sunbathe so it can move more quickly. After sunbathing, the lizard is full of energy. Let's review what you have learned. Weather quiz. Which is the symbol for sunny weather? Bingo! That's right! What will take place when it's sunny? Photosynthesis. You have a pretty good memory. Next, let's take a look at the weather in other places.